Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mama Sandy. Today I will show you my container garden and we'll see what's blooming and what's fruiting. Let's go! It's part of the garden where the plants can get 100% all day long sun. I have Meyer lemon. As you can see, it has a lot of fruits. I just bought it like 3 weeks ago and now it has a lot of fruit, and I'm so happy about that. Roses has one white bloom, and we'll see what's gonna happen in a few days. And this one is actually my mandarin-orange, which is, it took a while before it started blooming. I had to put a lot of mulch, a lot of fertilizer, and now it's crazy blooming and it has a lot of fruit, and I can't wait to harvest this fruit, and I wish that it will stay and grow into oranges. This is a grafted Valencia orange, by the way. Long time ago, I didn't know how to take care of trees. I thought when you buy a fruit tree, you just have to plant it on the ground and leave it alone and it will grow, but no, it doesn't work that way. I researched and I found out you have to water it every day and then put some type of fruit fertilizer, put a lot of mulch, and put it in the sunny area, and you will see result. This one is a mandarin orange. I just purchased it like 2 days ago. I have corns. I grow corns just for fun. This one is a mandarin orange. I just bought it 2 days ago as well. I started planting some, I think this is lilies, and we'll see what's gonna happen because they're in the pot. This one are milkweeds, some type of milkweeds, and it's supposed to feed the hungry caterpillars for butterflies. This one are two types of soybeans. Oh, this one is peanut, by the way, you guys. I'm planting it for fun and see if I can actually grow peanuts. And soybeans or edamame, I'm a big fan. Blueberries. I bought these blueberries like a few weeks ago with just flowers on, and they started fruiting, and I don't know how long it will take for this to ripen. Another rose in bloom. I'm not sure what type of color will it be, but we'll see. More milkweeds that I have to put in a pot. I don't really know how big, how tall they're gonna be, but we'll see. You wouldn't believe how much water this thing sucks out every day. I have to replenish the water in this planter thing. Next, we have my short mango. I'm not sure what type of or variety of mango it is, but this mango is a grafted mango planted from a long time ago. I'm not sure what type of mango, but they have a lot of blooms this time of the year. Again, proper tree care. Fruit trees, you have to put fertilizer and mulch and water it every day. Okay, I'm just gonna show you this butterfly. This is what you call Chinese swallowtail or citrus butterfly. They are one of the alien butterfly here in Hawaii. Out of 18 species of butterfly, this is the one that I like, second to monarch butterfly. I suggest everybody should have a variety of fig tree in their garden. You can put it in your container garden, and trust me, this one gives me fruit every day or every other day. I love the fact that you can just get out of your garden and pick one fruit and eat it. This is I like about container gardening. You can move it around and place it under the sun for X amount of hours, and yeah. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me. You guys have a great day. Mahalo.